My life started with working with young people when I was 16 years old, teaching theater at 18. So it was a great opportunity to meet the students at the school here today and engage them in their dreams. And so it's just me walking in my purpose. I don't like to come to a school and just talk at students. I like to learn from them. What do you need? What are you dreaming about? What are you thinking about? That's a proverbial seat, right? You literally have my seat at the table. So just by that simple act, they could stay with that forever. I'm not an anomaly. And what I've learned traveling this planet is every community where we exist, we're doing great things. And the issue is we don't tell the stories enough. And that's why being in the storytelling business is really, really important.
This is a village, very unique community here in Lower Richland, but we look out for our children, and I'm proud to be a part of the foundation that's making sure that our children do get these opportunities and these options to be successful. And I know that Malik has really lit a fire under our young people, and we're excited to see what Swoop is gonna do. I know we're gonna do all 10 episodes. Looking forward to that because we've got a lot of folk that are pushing and pulling behind us to make sure that this is a reality.
I think that you have to be the message that you bring. And so investing in young people is critical, especially now.